Hey all, welcome back to the SBD Blossom. I hope you all are doing great. I placed Nykaa Friday sale and thought I'll quickly film a video. I know I did not get ready as I normally get ready for all my videos, but I still thought I'll have to film this and put that there. I restocked all my skincare which I have finished for my sister, for my mom. There's a lot of haul in this. It's a huge haul, don't judge me. That's a huge box with all the products in here. One I have is this cute little kit from Face Shop. I actually follow Debashri and I also love Coralista vlog, but I couldn't get Coralista set for Face Shop in stock, so I thought I'll pick this one. So cute. It has a pouch and you have a photograph here. So this is the picture, and that's a very cute bag. And it says you give your skin a little love and pamper yourself with these products. Personally picked up for you guys from the Face Shop to make you glow. With love, Debashri. I'll keep that. And all the products are in this pouch. Excuse the background noise. This place where I'm staying is very close to the main street, and there's no option. I can I've closed all the doors if you can see, but still there's a lot of noise. I'm filming from my phone. I still have not set up any place for filming, so once I have that, I might film videos in midnight or early morning to avoid these noises. But now it's already 8 p.m. but yeah. So you have this cute pouch. It says View You, and I have not opened this, right? I was waiting for this video. Wow, that's so cute. I like the print. So there are some goodies in it. That's the size of the pouch, which is really good size. And the first thing I can see is this Twinkle Party Foaming Cleanser, which is Herb Day 365, lemon and grapefruit citron. Big size of foaming cleanser there. And then you have mascara. Oh, I didn't know Face Shop had the mascara. So you get one mascara. It says Trishian Big Mascara. So this is the mascara you get, and then a lip tint is there in this. Yeah, I saw there's a lip tint. Let me try opening that. I've never tried any makeup from Face Shop. It is good. It smells fruity. Okay, that's a lip tint. I think it's not a lipstick or lip gloss. It's a tint where you can just yeah, so you can shade out if you want it lighter, or you can apply more to have it more. It's a tint, it stays. So that's good. So these are the three products I got along with this small, I think, sample kit. So this kit is Yehwadam Revitalizing Skincare Kit. And oh, okay. So you get this kit here, which is cute. You get a revitalizing cream, revitalizing serum, emulsion and toner. I really like the size of these trial size bottles. I really like Innisfree and Face Shop when they actually, especially not only Innisfree or Face Shop, any Korean skincare, if you want to try them, they all have these cute little kits, and also you get a lot of them as free. I think I got a complimentary gift also when it's a cute little pouch you get for Face Shop. Got this kit free with Face Shop. This is a White Seed Brightening Discovery Kit. You have three products. One is White Seed Brightening Serum, and you have lotion, which is good size. I burnt my hand while I was cooking. So this is a toner. So you get all these three products in this kit, which is good to try. Each of them really has good amount or number of uses you can get out of it. A couple of hair masks. I used to have a very good strong hair, but now it's all thin. My hair has been thin and it's still thinning, or I don't know if that's the right word, but it has been gone very thin, and I really want to nourish my hair. It's dry, so yeah, I got a couple of hair masks. First one is the Natural Fusions Chia Seed and Argan Oil hair mask from Palmer's, and they say they are natural, no sulfate, no parabens, no phthalates, no mineral oil, no gluten. It deeply repairs and boosts hydration. I really like the packaging. It's a good size hair mask. Whenever hair is extra moisture, thirsty or in need of repair, apply to clean wet hair. Work product through hair from roots to top. Allow 10 to 15 minutes. before rinsing. Can be used as an overnight mask also, but be sure to wear a cap to or use a towel to protect sheets. Rinse out in the AM. So I think you can use it as overnight mask also, or just use it for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm excited to try this one. And the next mask I got is from Squareshof. Years back, before I was getting married, I actually have done straightening to my hair from Lakme Salon, and they've recommended to use this Squareshof serum, and I really was in love with that serum. It was out of stock in Nykaa. I actually want to get that, but I might put the picture here. But it's really nice if you have done any hair treatments, if you want to have that straightening or curling, you can use that serum. And this is from the same brand. It is a Spa Essence Hydrating Cream Mask. It's 500 ml, and yeah, I'm excited to try this one. It's a hydrating cream mask for dry hair, which is, I really want one. I think yeah, it's sealed. I don't want to open it, all the mask. I just want to try one after the other one. So those are the two hair masks I got. And then I got Biotic hair mask. Biotic also had a good offer, and also they had good range. The cost is very affordable from Biotic. I think this is 250 MRP, but again there was a lot of discount on it. Like the body wash from Biotic, I used to use eye cream and all, but I don't know, somehow I stopped using it when I got more into fancier brands and yeah, expensive ones. But this is an argan oil from Moroccan hair mask for frizz-free and stronger hair. I think when I opened this, it looks like it was opened. I don't know. Yeah, it smells good though. So I'm excited to try this mask. So I got these three masks. I not only myself, I mean my family members use hair mask also, so I think that will be very much useful for us. So those were the three hair masks I got. From Wow, I actually picked up this body wash. Last time I want to get this, but I did not get my chance to get this. So this is a shea butter and vitamin E. I really like the packaging. I think they should have a pump. It's easy. They have an opener, you get the shower out, but I think I'll prefer the pump more. That is easy and convenient to use. But nevertheless, the packaging is so cute. I just think this part is not relating to this one. Maybe they should change the packaging if they really want. But yeah, this was in a great deal. I think 40 or 50% off. So I got body wash. I ran out of my body washes. I don't like to use body soaps unless it's natural, right? I love Kama Ayurveda body soap. I love Forest Essential, and there have been a couple of body soaps I've tried from different natural brands which I really love. But if I don't have any bar soap from those natural brands, I prefer to use a body wash, which is more convenient and easy, and it doesn't strip down moisture, because my skin is very dry, and in this winter season it makes it more dry. So yeah, I picked this one. I'm excited to try. It has shea butter and vitamin E, which is very good for nourishing. So that's one thing which I picked up from Wow from Nykaa. I got this free. This is a vitamin C face wash. I think this is something new Wow has come up with. It's infused with natural actives, helps lighten and brighten skin tone, fades age spot, helps reduce fine lines. I don't know. I mean, face wash is something which you don't use for a longer time, right? It's just a couple of seconds. You just scrub it off. I don't believe if any brand says the face wash helps you, reduce age spots or fine lines. I understand if it's brightened skin, maybe it removes the dead skin. It has some kind of niacinamides or some active ingredients. It might help you to clear out your skin and bring it brighter, but I don't know if it really works for age spot. It says it helps age spot, fade age spot, reduce fine lines. I don't know, but yeah, this is a teeny sample. Oh, it smells good. It smells like oranges. I think last time I got Wow Skin Case body butter, I really did not like it. I don't know, something. If I have to have a body butter, I just want it to sink into my skin when I massage it, apply it like this. There are so many body butters or body lotions, I have to just rub it and rub it and rub it until it sinks into my skin. It creates a white cast. I have to massage it. I know massaging your body is good, but when you're in a hurry and you really don't have that much time, I just want it to be easily, when you just apply it like this, it should go into the skin. That's how I prefer my body lotions. So that's free. The thing I picked up for myself is this onion black seed shampoo for fresh, strong, shining hair. I've never tried any hair care from Biotic. It's 300 ml, so it's good. So I picked up from Biotic. And then I picked up this face scrub from Energizing Face Scrub from Biotic again. I really like the tan scrub from Biotic. I'm sure most of you might be aware of that scrub. It's so famous. It really worked well for my skin, especially during winter seasons. I always used to do that for my body and face. But this is especially for face, which is a coffee scrub. Anything coffee, I'm like, oh my god, give it to me. I really love coffee. Okay. Oh, it smells of coffee, but also smells herbal little bit. So that's the consistency you get. It's like a pudding. It really smells nice, but too much strong for a coffee, but it's not. So yeah, this face wash, which is coffee again. I thought I'll try both of them. I don't know, I have an obsession for coffee and coffee scented products. And I think it's also good for your skin if you use, you know, coffee as an ingredient for scrub or wash. So yeah, that's the face wash. It looks very nice. I think it's brownish in color. It's packed. I don't want to open because I don't know, I have couple of face washes, not zillion. I thought I'll say zillion. I think I've used almost. I've been a good girl. I've not shopped for a lot of sales. I might have pre-filmed some videos which are there, you might see, but I've not purchased anything. So yeah, I took advantage of this offer. Really love it. Apricot body wash. I don't know what's in this. I really like the fragrance of it. Oh my god, I really love this body wash. It's so divine. And I think in many of the hotels, if you go, which are not 5-star, but again they do have Biotic skincare products there. I really love this. And whenever I travel, they also have a stopper, which is something new I've seen, which is good. Whenever you travel, it's easy and convenient. And you know, I have one of this in my in-laws place, so whenever I go there, I use my Biotic body wash there, and I want to have one here because I said I was done with my body washes. I did not have any body wash, did not have any body soap. So I picked up couple of body washes. You will see more body washes. I mean, everyone in my family uses it. It's not just me. So I thought I'll anyways, you know, use this opportunity of the offer. So yeah, I got this one. It's so pretty. And then I love this body soap. It's been so many years I've not used Biotic orange body soap. I don't know. Yeah, it's so nice. I mean, if you have never tried anything from Biotic, I would recommend try at least one of this. You will love it for sure. Got this face pack, which is from Biotic again, which is a whitening, depigmentation and tan removal face pack. I have a lot of tan. I'm not sure if you can see. I have, you know, pigmentation issues. I just have a CC cream and that's it. It's just powder, nothing much. Little eyeshadow, I guess. Yeah, so that's from Biotic. I got this free, if I'm not wrong. I don't know, something was free. So this is a tan removal scrub. So yeah, I have a face wash, scrub and body wash, body soap and hair mask. So if you want me to review any of the Biotic products or generally into review Biotic, let me know. And you buy anything, you get a body wash free. So I got this tiny little face wash from Honey, which is for dry skin, cleanse and nourishes, and I got this one free. So yeah, I got this and it was like 40 I don't know, about 50 to 60 rupees. Nykaa, Kama Ayurveda, again, you know, there was an offer where you get couple of samples free. So I got this lavender patchouli body moisturizer. I don't know, I wanted some scented body moisturizer. I really don't know, maybe I picked up in sleep. But yeah, it's lavender, it's a good size. And then I got a rose and jasmine hair conditioner. So I got these two. I want to use a natural hair conditioner. I really want to focus on my hair. You can see it's so thin. It was really nice. If you have been a follower, just go back and watch the old videos. You will see how good my hair was. It's, you know, it's so thin now. I really want to take care of my hair. So I picked up natural ones. This is hair conditioner. I got this bag free, pouch free, and you have two products in this, which I got it as free. One is Nalpa Maradi Thailam, which is a mini size. Oh, I actually ordered the full size from Kama Ayurveda website. So this itself is 575, and my sister actually has used it and she has seen improvement in her skin tone. So I thought I'll use it, but I ordered it. I didn't know it was free. I was getting this free. And this is an extra virgin coconut oil. I've never tried coconut oil from Kama Ayurveda. These are the two products I got free along with this cute little pouch, and I think it's good. It's 575 and 245. It's like yeah, I think I got almost one full size product right from Kama Ayurveda, so which is a good deal. And I got couple of products from Innisfree. I got this for my sister. She loves, I mean, I swear by this serum and she loves this serum. And I already have couple of skincare serums, so I didn't want to buy any, but she wanted this green tea seed serum. And I think this is a new bottle. It's the holiday packaging. You get 160 ml of product. I think there was a great deal, and that's why I picked this up. So this is it says hello, I'm paper bottle. So it says it's a paper bottle, and you know, the serum is something which I really love, my sister really love. I think I've done a dedicated video of this serum. I'll link it here if you want to see. But yeah, it's so nice. And then I picked up their body cleanser. When I was in Innisfree store long back, I actually want to try their body washes. So I picked up one of their body washes and I really love that. It was a cotton candy body wash, if I'm not wrong. It was cotton flower body wash. I couldn't get that cotton flower, it was out of stock, so I bought this water lily body cleanser, and I really love this packaging. I am using currently this as my hand wash bottle. Trust me, this is very strong and very nice. So I think even you can return the empty bottles to Innisfree store. But yeah, this is the body cleanser. It's really nice. And then I picked up this cotton flower body lotion. I thought anyways cotton flower body wash is out of stock, so why don't I try the cotton flower body wash, so body lotion. So yeah, this is what I picked up. So yeah, I mean, whenever I buy a body wash, I feel I want to get a body lotion. I don't know if you also feel the same way, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, these are the two products which I picked up from Innisfree. I picked up this kit from Gillette Venus. I actually wanted a hair removal razor, but I saw this kit was in offer. You get the refills along with the razor, and then also you get this shave gel with aloe vera. It was a great deal, and also you get this pouch, so I thought I'll get this one. I think there was a discount code which I had, I used it. But yeah, I mean, I can dedicatedly use this for my hair removal accessories, or what you can say. So yeah, this is what I got. I see this video has been so long, so what I'll do is I'll continue it in part 2. If you really like this kind of videos, please go to the part 2 video, because I still have a zillion products. I already covered a lot of the products in this video. I don't want you to be bored of this long haul, so I thought I'll do another video. But yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I'll tag my part 2 video in the description, or in the title here, or in the links here, so you can click there. But yeah, that was part 1, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. So thanks all, have a great day, bye bye.